Welcome to Ban Ngai, an integrated manufacturing, distribution, and services company. Our material handling division started 25 years ago, manufacturing hand pallet trucks for the domestic market. Today, we are a Southeast Asian global brand, bringing our founding values of quality, performance, and service through our 4 factories, 9 offices and warehouses throughout Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines to our treasured customers. We rent and sell forklifts, reach trucks, boom lifts, scissor lifts, aerial work platforms, and other work trucks to a diverse range of customers and industries, from the oil and gas industry to food and beverage, industrial manufacturing, retail, warehousing, and many more. Our clients are composed of the largest multinationals to domestic Malaysian, Thai, Indonesian, and Filipino conglomerates, and many more local small-medium enterprises, and especially owner-operated businesses, all of whom we cater to faithfully and with a laser focus and dedication. Our rich experience means we more effectively interpret our customers' requirements and tailor a solution to them, making their problems ours and continuing the solution long after we deliver the hard product. After sales services is where we really excel. Where others make excuses, this is when our work really starts. From training to spare parts to modifications or refinements, our dedicated after-sales team never says no. We ensure spare parts are available when and where they are needed. Our own fleet of service vehicles and in-house technicians travel hours on end, from our cities to the villages, arriving always with a smile and a solution.
Kalau poin plusnya sih pasti komplit ya kan, bukan hanya dari segi head pallet, tapi ada item-item yang lain. Untuk edukasi tentang produk, khususnya dari teknisi itu sangat membantu sekali. Yang sekarang ini, selama ini banyak tuh kami tuh salah kaprah gitu. Ternyata setelah dikasih penjelasan, dikasih tahu tata caranya itu jauh lebih bagus, dan kita untuk menjaga satu unit barang itu jadi lebih terjaga gitu. Ya sangat mudah kalau mau cari spare partnya, selalu tersedia gitu.
Untuk unit ini kita pilih sebab pertama dia compact, mudah dibawa ke mana-mana, mudah disimpan, dan paling penting dia selamat digunakan berbanding unit-unit lain. Daripada segi tunan untuk ketinggian, dia lebih sesuai lah jika untuk kegunaan bangunan-bangunan yang besar seperti ini. Setiap kerosakan dan servis yang diberikan amat memuaskan. Setiapnya dicek dengan baiklah selain daripada apa yang kami laporkan.
We wish to win your trust. We are Ban Ngai, and we are at your service always.